Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Okay, just grab it using the link in the description below. Now let us get into this review. In this video, I am looking at Ai Scalper Pro. Okay, it's an MT5 EA built by developer Dhiraj Shivprabhu Patiwar, okay, and it is priced at 200 US dollars to buy or available to rent from 30 US dollars a month with a 3-month option at 50 US dollars noted as a 44% saving. It's on version 7.1, last updated in early May 2026. Now, scrolling into the entry logic section, the developer describes a swing-based breakout approach that maps live market structure to identify local highs and lows ahead of momentum moves, along with a system that places resting orders in advance at key levels and clears them out daily at rollover to avoid low liquidity spread widening. I'll note the marketing language here leans heavily on goal specific examples, like referencing slippage behavior around gold, even though this section describes general execution mechanics. Moving into the broker protection section, there is a slippage adjustment mechanism that recalculates stop loss and take profit if entry price slips. An execution method designed to send multiple orders together to reduce delay. Okay, and the trailing stop designed to check broker specific stop and freeze levels to avoid rejected orders. Now, under risk management, there is a daily drawdown limit that closes all trades and locks the terminal for the day if breached, along with automatic lot sizing based on a risk percentage input and live account balance. All right. Now, the simplicity section describes a stripped down settings menu with just risk percentage, max orders, and max daily drawdown exposed to the user, with other parameters fixed in the code. All right. So now let us just quickly head over to the backtest that I ran myself. I'm going to go to my strategy tester right away. Okay. And it is worth noting that this test ran on EURUSD, even though several parts of the marketplace description specifically reference gold related behavior. So that's a detail worth being aware if you're evaluating this specifically for gold trading. All right. So this test started with an initial deposit of $10,000, and by the end of the test period, the account showed a net loss of just over $770. Let us break down how it got there. This covered EURUSD on the H1 time frame, from the start of January through mid-July 2026, with history quality at 100%. Okay, across 50 total trades, the win rate was actually quite high at 74%, but the average losing trade came in more than 4 times larger than the average winning trade. We can see that the average profit was just 40.34, but the average loss was 174.11. So you can see the difference. All right. And that gap outweighed the high win rate over this test. Right, so maximum drawdown reached just under 14.3% on an equity basis. It was actually about 14.3%, on an equity basis, but then for the balance, it was a little less than 14%. Okay, now the profit factor came in at 0.66, and the expected payoff per trade was clearly negative, both reflecting that same win size versus loss size imbalance. Now, this is a good example of why a high win rate alone does not tell the full story. Okay, the size of individual losses matters just as much. Now, I'm going to recommend testing this on gold specifically, given how much of the marketing language centers around gold specific execution behavior and over a longer period, since this test only reflects Euro USD. Okay, so let's quickly look at the graph. For a time, the balance and equity curve was rising, and then at some point it started declining continuously. Okay, so let's just see if we can do a brief check here. So like I already said, you want to consider running this EA on gold, but I would even say not only on gold. You can test it across different assets, different currency pairs, all right, to see how it performs across them all. Okay, now who might this expert advisor be suitable for? Based on what we have seen, based on the performance we saw, on Euro USD and what we saw on the marketplace page, right? Now, talking about the results specifically, the high win rate combined with a negative overall result points to a risk to reward imbalance. All right. So this fresh test that I'm doing seems to be taking a lot of time. So just within your convenience, you can actually test it on other currency pairs, okay, and just compare results. At least you have seen the test I ran on Euro USD, and you can see how it's turned out. So you can actually try on other pairs. So like I was saying, you know, the high win rate combined with a negative overall result points to a risk to reward imbalance worth understanding closely before use. And as always, no expert advisor is universally suitable. And this is one test on one pair. All right. So you want to test specifically on the intended market and pay close attention to average win versus average loss size, before you consider live use. All right. So if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications as well, so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.